Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming power and the cable's basic condition. Check the wall outlet and adapter first. Make sure the adapter is rated appropriately, usually 5V and 2A or higher. Visually inspect the cable for frays, kinks, or bent pins. Those cause intermittent charging. Once done, plug the cable into a different known good adapter or USB port so you isolate the cable from the power source. This rules out the most common failures before deeper troubleshooting. Once you've isolated power, focus on ports and electrical continuity. You should try the cable with a second device and the device with a second cable to identify which component fails. If you have a multimeter, measure output voltage at the cable plug and check continuity across data and power lines. A missing line indicates a break. Make sure to clean device and cable ports using compressed air and a 90% plus isopropyl swab. Debris and corrosion often block contact. You're ready to repair or replace based on findings. If the break is near a connector and you're comfortable, cut back, strip wires, and resolder a new connector, making sure correct wire colors match pins. Otherwise, replace the cable entirely. If continuity is inconsistent or you see corrosion, replacement is safest. Make sure to test after repair. If the device still won't charge, suspect the device's charging circuit. In that case, stop and consult a professional technician for board-level diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.